Today we're talking about drones. They are everywhere, in agriculture, logistics, even journalism. But how exactly are they regulated by law?
In most countries, drones above 250 grams must be registered. This rule applies in the United States, Canada, the European Union, the United Kingdom, and Australia. Some countries, like Japan, set even stricter limits, starting from 100 grams. Registration usually includes an online form and a small fee. In some cases, operators also need training or a license. These steps help to ensure safety, accountability, and responsible use of drones. Remember, drones must follow strict operational limits. The maximum altitude is usually 120 meters. Pilots must always keep the drone in direct line of sight. Flying near airports, military zones, or critical infrastructure is strictly forbidden. These rules reduce the risk of accidents and protect public safety. Some drones are used just for fun. But when you use a drone to make money, like delivering packages or filming videos, the rules change. For business use, you often need special certification or a license. Be careful. Civil drone insurance matters because accidents can happen. If your drone damages property or injures someone, you may be held responsible. Insurance helps cover those costs and protects you from big financial risks. In some countries, drone insurance is mandatory for commercial use. For example, in the UK, France, Germany, Canada, and Japan, operators must have liability insurance before flying drones for business. Drones can record personal data, like people's homes or activities. In Europe, the GDPR applies, which means filming without consent can lead to fines. Many countries have strict rules on privacy, so misuse of drones can result in legal penalties. Today, drone privacy is not just about neighbors or personal data. In many countries, drones are also seen as a security risk. Because of the war in Ukraine and other conflicts, drones can be misused for spying or even attacks. That's why governments are much stricter now. Fly in the wrong place can lead not only to fines, but also to serious investigations. So when you fly, always think, is this safe, legal, and allowed right now? In many countries around the world, especially in parts of Asia and Africa, drone rules are still not harmonized. This means that for hobby drones, there is often no clear requirement for registration or licensing. While this makes flying easier, it also creates legal gray zones, especially when accidents or privacy issues happen. And one more challenge. What about shooting drones down? This question is far from solved. In some countries, it's strictly illegal, while in others the laws are unclear. Governments are still debating how to balance public safety, airspace control, and the rights of drone owners. So, whether you fly for fun or for business, remember, the skies are not fully regulated yet. Stay informed, follow the rules that do exist, and be prepared for changes, because drone law is still evolving.